Hello guys. Today we are going to make this. Make sure you stick to the end of the video as we are going to learn many tips and tricks. So let's start. First of all, start by making a new composition. I will use 1080p composition with 30 FPS, and for this I will be taking 8-second composition. This is totally up to you. Now take a new solid and drag the element 3D on it. Go to Scene Setup. I will be using Motion Design Pack 2 by Videocopilot for this tutorial. Go to Hinges. You can use any of these hinges and it will give you a new design in the last. For this tutorial, I will be using Hinge 12, Hinge 4, Hinge 1, and Hinge 11. Select Hinge 12, then go to Auxiliary Animation and change it to Channel 1. Align them something like this. Now select the group folder and make a new folder. Select the option showing Group Folder 1 and go to Group Symmetry and enable Z option. Now go to folder which contain hinges and drag the Z-axis to a little bit left. Something like this. Now I am changing materials on it. It's totally up to you. It's done. Now you can assign it an environment for better reflections. You can use any of it, it's totally up to you. For this tutorial I will be using backlight _2K_02. Then click OK. Let's save it. Now go to Element in Effect Control. Open Group 1 and Particle Replicator. Change particle count to 10 and replicator shape to ring. Let's take a new camera. Take Unified Camera tool and then drag in the composition to change camera face. Now go to Particle Look. Open up the particle rotation. Go to Start of the comp and keyframe the X and Y rotation particle. Go to half of the composition. Change the value of X rotation particle to 90 and Y rotation particle to 1. This is totally up to your choice. Now go to End of Composition and change the both of values to 0. Now go to O Channels, then go to Channel 1 and to Rotation. Now repeat same step as above. Go to Start of the comp and keyframe the X and Y rotation particle. Go to half of the composition. Change the value of X rotation particle to 90 and Y rotation particle to 1. This is totally up to your choice. Now go to End of Composition and change the both of values to 0. Select Element 3D layer and press U. Now it will be showing all animated keyframes. Select the All 4 middle keyframe, right-click and to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease. Select the All 4 starting keyframe, right-click and to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease Out. Select the All 4 last keyframe, right-click and to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease In. Now render the preview and see the magic. Now we will be enhancing the pattern. Make duplicate of Element 3D layer by Ctrl+D. Go in Effect Controls of the top Element 3D layer. Go to Render Settings and enable Glow. Change the settings as I did, or you can play with the settings until it looks fine to you. Go to Output and change Composite to Glow. Now we will be making a background. Take a new solid and put Gradient Tramp effect on it. Do settings as I did, or copy the background layer from the project file. Make a new light and set up as you like, otherwise copy it from project file. Make an adjustment layer and copy the Lumetri color effect from the project file, and it's done. Hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial.